Okay. So as you know, last classes in Selenium, we have used our own extent manager. That is also fine. And this one is even you can do with config no XML file. You can even configure in no extend report config file. That is an XML file. We already seen that all. So if you see that, so we are creating a constructor for this, so that what is doing is about private means. So private is basically it won't allow create object for this class outside of this class. So you can just use the methods and no, so it's stopping completely creating object, but you can use these. See, you can make methods static and see this method. So is returning extend reports object. So get extend reporter and you can give the test properties for this method. See this is the same class, right? We created object for the so to get all the report. So extend spark reporter equal to new extend spark reporter. And see, we are getting the get property extend reporter path where you want. So that we mentioned in the this properties class. So that we are fetching. And then, so reporter dot load XML config. So all the configurations I am loading here to read these configurations. That is under source main resources under this. So this path I am reading and loading that configurations. Then reporter dot config set CSS. So is all CSS for the report. We are setting the report how you want image type and extend reports. So equal to new extend reports. So extend reports dot attach reporter and this reporter. So we are attaching. So any extend reports to this Spark reporter. Okay, so Spark reporter we are so attaching that. Then even in that report, so we are adding the application URL also. This is how you can add application URL. We are making a tag. So a tag means is a link. Link we are adding href. See that test properties dot get property URL and target attribute is blank. So if you put a target attribute blank, it will open in the new tab. So that's the meaning of this target attribute, putting in the blank. Okay. So that's a tag inside. We are putting a href attribute and target attribute. And open cart demo application, we are just mentioning this, the link will be there. So then I am adding this link to extend reports dot set system info application. So this is how you can add any info to your extend reports. Set system info, extend reports dot set system info and application URL. So extend reports is so system info OS. So you can get system dot get properties. So system dot get properties is get property OS dot name. That means operating system name you will get. And set system info browser test properties dot get property browser. So see this value we are getting from the properties file, and this you can get directly. So this is the built-in method, right? Get property method. And so you boolean dot get boolean. So enable record video. So you want to enable the video, and then so that file path we are giving paths dot get. So in this project itself, we are enabling that video content. So recorded video file path again, that also we are adding. So to open in the new tab, when you click on this open cart demo application video, that video will be open in the new tab also. So that is what execution recorded video. So we are setting that also. So with all these properties, extend reports we are getting. So this is the return say extend reports. So you can call this method wherever you want. Automatically it will be set. So then extend log. So extend log. So extend test. So we use it here extend reporter. So one class and extend Spark reporter one class. Extend reporter, extend Spark reporter, two classes. And here we are using extended test. So if you want to log, so you want to add the log to the your test case step. So you want to add the log, the step to the extend report, and you can use extend log method. So this is also static method we made. So you can call this method wherever you want to log. See this log message, what you need to pass extend test object. So what is the status and what is the message you want to pass? So extend test dot log status and message. So and log, so there is a log method here. This is a log method. So in this log method, we have a loggers, right? Different loggers, fail, warning, and skip. So these are the different type of log.1, log.2, so one. So that you can mark whatever the status you are getting. So log marker. So marker manager dot get marker. You can so just mark it like. So whatever the message you want to send it. So that's all, you will get the current thread, current class you will get. Then you will get a current thread you will get. So automatically, and the method name also you will get everything. So that is so this logger will take care of that everything here. So that is what you are calling again log messages. Also you can record it. So extend log with a screenshot. So you want a screenshot and you can call this one extend log with a screenshot and extend log only. So we have two methods. So these are overloaded methods. You can even tell these methods I have overloaded. So recently I got one question. So did you use so oops concepts? So where you have used it, show me. So that's what is question, and we need to explain all them where you have used oops concepts. See, this is the overloading, right? You can tell all these points. So overloading, extend with a screenshot and extend log, maybe extend log only one here, but generally you can have multiple so methods with the same name. So if such kind of things are there, you can tell those classes. See here with the screenshot means image element. So image class and data image. And you can see this base 64 path we are taking. And href is that image name base 64 path. And so that image you are adding to the log. So status so message image element. Log status and message. So you can pass your messages in the test case itself. So instead of so generic one, you can pass your own messages by calling these methods. So that's the so this extend report, and we can call. I'll show you how to call all these methods in the even this method you will call more in the test cases. That we'll see while writing the test cases. You will come to know that. Even pages also we are going to use. So even pages also, we're going to use this extend test class you're going to use. So this is returning extend test, right? Yeah, extend test. So this extend test we need to pass as an object. So for these methods, so I'll show you that how to use these methods one by one. So that's the overall utility methods. And let's get start with pages design. First, we'll design the home page. Okay, take the URL, this URL, So this is the home page, right? Why we got this? Open cut. Yeah. So this is the home page. You can take this search read box, this search icon, and also this home, register, login, and this shopping cart also. So all this, so you can take a lot of elements here, and maybe if you do a search, you can do a search also, right? This uh, header, search header. So all we already did this, but separate pages we did. We can do this in the home page, okay? So and even search also we can do all this. Okay, so that's all these elements we'll identify. But I'm not using a page factory concept. I'll use another concept with so page factory we don't need here. And we can use directly elements identification. That elements you call them in the so methods. So that's how we'll do here. Okay, so let's go and do that. Page factory is a Selenium class, not Playwright class. So that's why we have to define the page elements one by one. Okay, so let's go and create the first class, the pages, under pages, create a home page, new class, home page. Click on finish. So here we need to define we need a pages, right? We need a page. So page object we need, and even we need a extent. So test also we need for all those methods we have seen. One of the parameters is extent test. So you declare that here, and you can use in the, so while calling those methods, you can use this object. So there, so that's what we need to do that. Okay. So let's create first private page, right? So you can import this page class. So this is the coming from Playwright thing. So and another one, extend reports also we need extend test class, extend test. So another variable. This is coming from event stack. So take these two and create a constructor. Okay. So constructor, basically, you know already, right? Why do you need a constructor, right? A constructor. So to initialize the page objects. So with the given instance, no, with the page instance, right? With the uh, page instance. So you can do that. And also I want to add this extend test also. Extend test instance also, I want to do this constructor. So let's create a constructor. How can you create a constructor? So make the public, okay? Because you have to call this class in multiple test cases, right? That's why. And the first one is page is the first parameter. Second parameter, extend test. Extend test. Okay, so this is the, so this one, tablet. And you can, you know this, how to create a parameterized constructor. So this dot page equal to and page. So this dot extend test equal to extend test. So these parameters I am assigning to these global variables. So this is the how for initializing two parameterized constructor we created. Now Let's create the variables. Okay, so all the variables we are making a private, right? So all the private variables. So private, the first element I'm taking here is this one, the edit box. You know that. So name is there. You can use a name and write the CSS selector. I'll use a name and write a CSS selector. Private string search edit box equal to, so it's a import tag square bracket. So name, right? Name value. So this is the first element. I'll copy this and do the second few more elements so that we can reduce we'll modify, okay? One by one. So we'll modify, don't worry about that. So so we want this search icon to find out that. So this is the button. You can take the button and even you can start from here and you can try with this, okay? ID search, and then you can give this button. So that's one option you can try, or otherwise you can use a type button class value also. But I'll try from this length, okay? This way. So div hash search. So write that div hash search icon. So div hash ID value, one space you give button. So make sure this is working properly or not. Okay, so once you write, so go there and search of this element, Control F. Let's do that. See that? It's identifying, right? Perfect. So are you write your own CSS selectors? There is so nothing wrong with that. Okay. So and also let's identify this header. So this header. So even div, so you can put content h1. You can put a div content h1. So you can say search header, search page header. Okay. So you can say search page header. Next one, search page header. Search page header. And what is that? A div, right? A div hash and content, right? There's a content and some space h1. So arrow mark also you can use, but yeah, space also fine. Instead of greater than symbol, you can give space. So that also works. Okay, that is one. See, this will be identified. See, it's recognizing. So one of one only, right? You can see that one of one only, it is recognizing. One of one. So then we need this login link. It's a tag, right? So login link, you can have, so you can write a dot text login. You can try it out. So we have in the Playwright, we have good so object identification process. So I can write that login link. That is a, and you can put it. So I told you. So has a text you can write, or a text function you can write. So anything is fine. So it will recognize that. So you give that value. As text also we can use, or text function also you can use. That is the one. Then, so my account link also we want, right? my account link. Yeah, you can see there is a title with my account. So that's the best option you can use. A. So I can write a CSS with this. Let me write A title my account. So that's the easiest one. See whether it is recognizing or not. So I'll check whether once you write, check those elements. See, it's recognizing. So perfect. So we are good. So single one, right? One of one. Next. Even you can find out the so this product search results. So all these product search results you can find out. So maybe you can see. So all the products. See this one. See each this div. This divs, right? This div is referring the all the products. So if you write div dot product come, let's write div dot product come. So each has one div. So you can see one more. Yeah, this one. You have other one. You have other one. So this is the you can try all these three divs. So is it giving a three or not? Let's see that. Div dot a product come. Did we copy? Okay. See now one of three. It is showing one of three nicely. So you can take and with that you can create a list, basically a locator list. So we can identify that with this. Get a so all the product search result. Okay. So we can write product search results. It's another search results. We can use all of them. See here. So this one, even you can try with this add to cart also. So what is showing here? So so do we have anywhere? Okay, so you can use directly text, right? So this text you can use text equal to add to cart. So I can use text equal to add to cart. So that's a beauty here in the add to cart. So uh, so you can say add to cart selector, right? Something add to cart. So selector or add to cart button, whatever it is, but it's not BTN. We don't have. You can write. So whatever the way you want, what name you want to give. Okay, so it's not necessary you have to give a button name or only so this whatever the name I have given. You can change your the element name whatever you want. So just give that. So single quote I can give this add to cart and Then, so once it is adding, okay, no problem. So then every product has a caption, right? So this product, can we see what is there? The product caption or header we have. So this is the one H4 and caption. You can see the caption. So you can get that caption. So this div dot caption, and you can have a so any so whatever you want. Yeah, so this caption also you can write if you want this caption to grab it. So and you want this title, and you can find out this one. Maybe product title we can put, right? This is the product title. So if you want this product title, you can write product title. I can write a product title. That's the best option. So I'll start from this div dot caption H4 EA. So let's build this. Okay, let's build this div dot caption and have space H4 then EA. See, exactly we are getting a product name. We can say product name. Okay, product caption. So whichever is convenient for you, we'll keep that. Product name, I'll put product name. Okay. So, or we can say product caption name. Okay, so I can just put that. Okay, so that's the we got all these details, product details, and then so there is a so this one also you can take. So what is this shopping cart? So you have a shopping cart title, or you can use whatever it is. Yes. Add to wish list, compare this product. Yeah, we just need this is enough. And if you want to take this link also. So this link also you can take, and this also we can take. It's a tag, and I can use so this text based on this text, I can write. I'll write a XPath. Let me write a XPath also. Shopping cart link on the top. Okay. Private string shopping cart link on the top. Okay. So make sure your double forward slash a contains of text function comma single quote. So that is the one. So, and we have this shopping cart icon also. That also we can grab that. Shopping cart, we have this. Yeah, we have so div. See, when you put a div ID cart, right? You can use simple this one. We don't need inner, so that you can take this one. So if I write cart hash, we need to use. See, it is recognizing, right? So we can use this one. Shopping cart icon. So what else we have? So that is done. That's fine. Check out, we don't need. Yeah, so if many are there, that's fine. These are the things we need mostly, right? So these in the again search page, but I'm taking all of them in one page. Uh, so this one we didn't take this header. Products meeting. What is this? What? I can start from here. Start from here. So do hash content h2. So do hash content h2. Okay. Yeah, I can go to that header. So product header. That is also important. Private string. So product header. Yeah. So these are the elements. We have. Yeah, that's it. I think this menu, we have taken that. No issues. Yeah. Yeah, so these are the elements, but we'll add if any elements required. So now we need to write a methods. The first method is, so if this class ends, we can start tomorrow, next Monday, okay? Because I have another class immediately, we cannot continue. So we will fetch the page title. Let's fetch the page title. So this method fetches current page.